Hello everyone, Christina here. Today's coffee time starts at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, and today the room shifts. A 900-unit manufacturing portfolio just entered the ecosystem. A full portfolio, real active moving. Your MS 300-unit plus multifamily mansion continues. Massachusetts 300 off-market deals stays open every single month without fail. This is what happens when you step into your lane. Deals move, people align, capital routes, momentum compounds. The 997 in try 30-day activation is open today. 30 days to change your lane, your network, your off-market multifamily deal flow, your identity. Coffee time is not a meeting. It's a signal. It's a connection. It's a place to build trust and grow together. If you fear the pool, it's because the lane is already open for you. Reminder that you are one decision away from a completely different life. Step in, activate, move. You want to learn more about our off-market multifamily deal flow ecosystem, powered by advanced AI technology. Yamimi service you inside. Welcome to join Coffee Time with Christinamelodygroup, Session 34. Session 34 will be held on tomorrow, May 30th, 2026 at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, online on Zoom. 30 Session 4 is CEO CIO room. We are going to release top 1% multifamily deal in May. Don't miss. I've issued 250 passports, each state owning 5 seats. Mark your calendar, get your coffee time passport. Welcome to join CEO CIO Community of Excellence of Market 100-unit plus multifamily, deal merchant, capital merchant, top 1% client acquisition. You are welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel, Christina Melody Group. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any new deal job, new business opportunity, and any news about our daily ecosystem upgrades and updates. You're welcome to Coffee Time with Christina Melody Group every single day. Off-market deal merchant, capital merchant, 365 days non-stop. Thank you and welcome.